Here I have ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar and find here a button, screen recorder, but unfortunately it's nowhere to be seen. So to edit, we have to tap on this pencil icon here to edit these buttons. Find screen recorder here, hold and drag it to the title. So let's put it as the last one. Okay, and now we can find this button here. So by holding your finger on it, nothing happens. When you tap on it once, this kind of a pop-up panel appears. So here you can enable or disable your microphone. So in order for me to record, I have to give mic access. So there's no settings of this mode here. We can just start recording. Recording starts. So we just record our screen, show something, then tap on this panel once, tap on the red button, and after that this recording will be saved to the gallery. To the album, movies. Start recording starts, so we just record our screen, show something, then tap on. And from here you can share, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list, and find some detailed information about it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.